crude oil. We call it black gold for a reason. It powers our world, but where does it come from? Deep inside the earth, under layers of rock and sand, lie vast reserves of this sticky, black liquid. For millions of years it has been forming from ancient marine organisms. We extract crude oil using massive drills. These drills bore deep into the earth's crust, reaching the oil reservoirs. Once the well is drilled, the oil, pushed by natural pressure, gushes out. Sometimes we need pumps to help it along. This crude oil is just the beginning of a long journey. The crude oil, fresh from the earth, is not very useful in its raw form. It's a thick, complex mixture of hydrocarbons, chains of hydrogen and carbon atoms. The first step is to transport this crude oil, often through pipelines, to massive refineries. At the refinery, the initial processing begins. The crude oil is cleaned, removing impurities like water, salt and sand. This ensures the refining process is smooth and efficient. Think of it like washing vegetables before you cook them. Now comes the heart of the refining process: distillation. Imagine a giant tower filled with trays and pipes. This is the distillation column, and it's where the magic happens. The crude oil is heated to incredibly high temperatures, causing it to vaporize. As the vapor rises through the tower, it cools down. Different hydrocarbons condense at different temperatures. Petrol, with its lower boiling point, condenses near the top. Diesel, with a higher boiling point, condenses lower down. This separation process gives us the different fuels we need. While petrol might be the most familiar product, crude oil gives us much more than just fuel for our cars. Remember those hydrocarbons, the building blocks of crude oil? They are incredibly versatile. Through various chemical processes, we can transform these hydrocarbons into a mind-boggling array of products. Diesel, jet fuel, and kerosene all come from crude oil. But it doesn't stop there. Plastics, fertilizers, cosmetics, and even some medicines all rely on crude oil. It is a vital resource that touches almost every aspect of our modern lives. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel and like this video.